What's going on, guys? Bama'S Outdoors back with you. It's good to see you guys again. We took a couple weeks off, let it cool down some. The temperature has gotten back down into mid to upper 70s. We're starting to get down into the upper 50s at night, mid to upper 50s, which is great. The last couple weeks, although I haven't done any videos, I have went fishing a few times, and I was just waiting until I thought the fish were getting at that perfect point where they're chasing bait again and schooling up. And I went fishing yesterday over to a local lake and caught several bass. Caught one about 4.5 pounds. But we're back over at this lake. I've done a lot of videos here. Normally, I catch smaller fish here. I do not know why. I know there's got to be some big fish in here. And, you know, we're going to keep fishing this place until we hook up into a good one. It may not be today. It could be today. Who knows? But anyway, we're going to be throwing some shaky heads. And we're going to be using some bass reaper baits. We're going to be using some just regular Zoom, man. I mean, you can't go wrong with some Zoom finesse worms. But right there's the kayak and my little Toyota pickup truck. I would take this pickup truck across country. You can't beat them. Can't beat them. Great gas mileage. Plus, this place is right across from the road. So before we get started, guys, would you please reach up there and hit that subscribe button, hit thumbs up button on this video. Check out our other videos. We've been doing this now for about 1.5 years. We've got several videos. We would be very grateful for your subscription. It really makes a big difference in our channel. Keeps us motivated, keeps us going. And I'm about to unload this yak, and we're going to get out here and see if we can't find a few. So stick around, guys. Thanks for watching. I've got a big lay down over here that I've tried several times in other videos. I just don't want to pass it without trying. And then we'll work our way back up to the back again around the creek channel. And then I'm going to work this point over here. I experimented out here on this point the last time I was out here to try to figure out the depth and everything because I didn't have a depth finder. And I found where it dropped off at. So hopefully we can get into some fish. I would like to catch at least 5 fish today. But if we can get into them, I'll stay here as long as they're biting. There you go, guys. There's the first little fish. I've been searching for these rascals all over the place. I'm gonna let him go pretty quick. I'm gonna drop my anchor and stay right here for a little while. Little guy, but we're grateful. Thanks, bud. I'm gonna hook up my anchor and drop right here and work this little area. I believe I've taken you guys up in this creek channel before. I have fished, man, I have covered some area. There's another little guy. Phew, took long enough, didn't it? Heck yeah, see if we can get 3 more. That's the goal for today, is 5. And I still got my good spots coming up. Thanks, bud. It's been hot, been fishing for about 2.5 hours. Only caught 3 fish. Got 2 on camera, 1 off camera. Sun's starting to go down though, that should be good. got a little guy. That's all that's in here is these little guys. Freaking tater tots. He got loose. That would have been number 3. Biggest fish I've ever caught out of this lake here. 4.5, maybe 4.5 pounds. There's got to be some big ones in there having these babies though. Stinking tater tot. Oh boy. Hey, what are you gonna do? Everybody can't be Scott Martin, right? I like to see Scott Martin bring his little happy tail down here and fish. Sure he could find the big ones though. Either way you look at it. I remember days back when all I could do was fish from the bank, and I still like fishing from the bank from time to time. I do that quite often, but start out fishing from the bank on a kayak. You get you a kayak, fish a kayak, a couple years, now you want a bass boat. Before you know it, you didn't spend so much dabbling money. It's crazy. And you still ain't fishing in the Bassmasters Classic. Or the FLW Tour. Let's move up here to this other tree. We're getting closer to my spot. Here's another one, guys. God, it took me forever. That's a decent fish. I was about ready to head out of here. Good looking little fish. We might be able to snag one more before it's over with. It's been a long day and the bite has been really tough. I appreciate you guys watching today. Let's see if we can't get another one. The sun's starting to go down. All right, bud. See you next time. Yes. Well, guys, we have just a little bit left to fish before we get back to the truck. It's not been the day we wanted, but, you know, we've got out to go fish, and that's always a good thing. I think we've been out here about 4 hours. Caught about 4 fish, so 1 fish an hour, which sucks. I caught 7 bass yesterday in 45 minutes, and one was over 4 pounds from the bank over at this other lake. And I really thought these fish over here would be biting really well, but obviously they're not. But if you can see right in front of me, I've got that tree, that lay down over there. I'm gonna fish around it, and then I'm gonna get out of here, guys. But before I go, I just want to tell you guys how much I appreciate you guys taking the time to watch my videos. It means the world to me. Man, y'all support. I can't even begin to tell you how grateful I am. Yeah, we finally went over 2,000 subscribers, and geez, that was a big goal of mine, and we hit it. And now that we got over 2,000 subscribers, obviously you have another goal. Gotta see if we can make 3,000 subscribers. But man, if I can catch another fish, I'll put it on here. And again, guys, I'm very grateful. Please share the channel with your family and friends. Every little bit of support makes a big difference. We're a simple little channel. You could almost call it hillbilly fishing, mountain man fishing. We live up in northeast Georgia. Obviously, you guys know that. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Please hit that thumbs up button. And grateful. We'll get back out here again. Should be cooling off a little more. I think this water is still a little bit warm, and like I said earlier, and temps still a little bit A little too warm, but we're right there. So, as always, guys, God bless. Happy fishing. And we'll see you again next time. Thanks for watching.